You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more names as well, make sure to stay tuned. This is a name or a word from zoology. There are two slightly different pronunciations that can be used, a slight difference. Abomasum, abomasum, or abomasum, alright? Abomasum. So it's either a schwa sound, a b sound as the second syllable, or a bo sound. Let's listen carefully again. Two correct pronunciations, abomasum or abomasum. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? At least now you know the correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.